Passion, drive, motivation, or zeal, call it what you want. It is the self driven attitude about your job or your work that will help to lead you down the path to success. Our next speaker's passion is towards his profession and desires to give the best amenities for his customer who have brought him success in good measure. He drives a vehicle which has top notch facilities equipped with Wi Fi, laptop, iPad, magazines, and newspapers. According to him, time is the most valuable thing and it shouldn't be wasted and should be updated with current events. The main motive for all these is to enrich the young minds with what way they lack, which is the considerate knowledge about their society rather than promoting his mode of transportation. He quotes, "Passenger gives a daily bread. They are God and I have to satisfy their needs." All this aside, he provides free rides to teachers, be it doctors, engineers, or even the president. They were groomed by teachers, and so I respect them. This how he justifies his action. Honored and recognized by the Rotary Club of Madras East for his immense contribution towards the society. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Chennai's most loved auto rickshaw driver with more than 18,000 Facebook followers nationwide, Mr. Otto Annadurai.
To Mr. Otto Annadurai and extend a hearty welcome to Mr. Otto Annadurai to the second season of My Mic. I now request Mr. Otto Annadurai to take over.
Thank you. Very good morning to all. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. RNSIT and we all students, thank you so much. Pleasure to meet you, first of all. Next globe, we all sitting here. So, thank you so much. How many people MBA students? Oh, thank you. Why smiling? How many people are engineers? Oh. Okay, nice. First of all, my name is Annadurai. I am the auto rickshaw driver in Chennai. So, my daddy is also auto man. My two elder brother also do the same job. This is my family background. During my childhood, we concentrate on many activities except studies, so we choose this job. I didn't willingly choose this job, but I tried to do currently available job with willingness. So drop out, come outside. So I want to go to my first job is hotel industry. So one of the go-karting center in ECR Road in Chennai. So that is the cart attack. That is around 11 or 12 years back, I go to that hotel. Two people managed to that cafeteria. That inside also pizza, burger, hot dog, sandwich, and barbecue. And that is also that. One is cook, one more, I am the waiter. So once upon a time, that master also go to our hometown, some of the family issues. So one week, first week also I am sale only for the, I am the waiter, okay. So first week I am sale on to the beverages. So next week also I am looting to the my mummy 1,000 rupees. So I go to straight Nilgiri shop. I am buying to the pizza base, sandwich bread, and cheese, butter. Everything also I am prepared to and sell it. So weekly once owner also come to collect onto the that money. So that week totally shocked. So both two people also earning weekly. Triple time extra money also, I am single person earning for that time. So owner also totally shocked. Anna, you only one person also managed to this hotel. So I am also increase your double side, double income. So I am also so happy. So that is my house nearby one of the person pressure to my daddy. So Anna, you buy the auto, so there is a good revenue model. There is a conveyance to my daddy, so I am buying to my daddy also buying to the auto rickshaw, so I drive the auto. So this is accidentally job. One more time I am saying, I didn't willingly choose this job, but I tried to do currently available job with willingness. So I'm able to eat only from the money I earn through my customers. So I was really thinking what my customers really expect from me. All of you travel auto rickshaw, correct? So majority of people travel the auto rickshaw. What is your expectations? Speed drive, safe drive, super. Yeah. Majority of customer expectation is safety and respect. So I wanted to give them something more. My thoughts turned towards media. So I am started providing 6 daily newspaper in the morning, 2 in the evening, along with 35 to 40 monthly and weekly magazines spread across wide range of genre. Femina, Filmfare, Ritz, JFW, Galata, Autocar, Infinite Arts, My Mobile, Aval Vigadan, Anand Vigadan, Kumudam, Kungumam, Nakiran, Juvi, Reporter, Bangair Malar, Toli, Snegidi, Business Standard. Lot of magazine also I am providing. Daily 8 newspaper. Morning is 6 newspaper, evening is 2 newspaper. After which I realized it's only 20 to 25% of my customers were reading. Majority of customers only reading onto the Femina and Filmfare only. What do you think the remaining 75% of my customers will be doing? Yeah, we all, here also not high. We all use the Facebook, WhatsApp, something. So 11 years back, it was not easy to access internet while traveling. That day I am providing to the D-Link router, data card configure, I am provide the Wi-Fi connections. So this type of, I am providing the internet connection. Around 10 years back. Currently is packet router, we can access internet easily. So this time also my auto inside few more network is available. Airtel unlock device, Idea, Vodafone, yeah, both are, Jio, BSNL, all network also I am covered. Why I am providing to the few more networks? Because all network is not good speed in all places. This place, any one network slow speed, you disconnect, you connect another one network. I always believe that we should never give somebody something, but when we do, we should make it the best. So I am providing to the reasonable high-speed internet connection my customers, because no internet is better than slow internet, correct? So anyone watch the YouTube videos, that is the buffering, that is the very boring. So that is one of the reason I am providing to the reasonable high-speed internet connection in my customers. So this is also. Even the IT corridor of Chennai, you would think everyone would be the technically advanced, but that is not so. Few of my customers don't even have a smartphone. So I am providing to the Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 Note 800. This is 2013 January. So this is also fixed on to the backside. You don't question anyone. You want to that, you take and use it. So this is also, every electronical product is 3 years is more than outdated, correct? Anyone use the iPhone 4S 3G? Nay, correct? All of you use some of the latest product. So my customer also smart, so I am providing to the latest Apple iPad Pro also. This is also 96,000. This is also fixed on to the backside. You don't question anyone. I'm also mentioned to the backside. I fixed on to the backside. Free iPad Pro browsing for customers. You want to that, you take and use it. PUBG, anything also you want to that, you take and use it. Just a simple condition. Only for travel timing, okay? You get on time, you put it onto the auto inside. This is more important also. So this is, even I could not open some of the email attachments in my tablet, so I part and provide the laptop also. This is Flex 10, so this is older one. Currently my auto inside HP Intel i5 processor, 360-degree rotating type, and touch screen also available. So very soon, I'm also change the MacBook Pro, very soon. So this, my auto inside one of the small size TV. This is also 9 languages program. Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Punjabi, Western, Tamil, Bhojpuri and Nepali. I don't know other languages. I want to go to any Andhra, Kerala, Karnataka, Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, any places I want to go. Small tea shop, Tamil song play, how do you might feel? Any Hindi customer also travel my auto? Bhaiya, your favorite hero, I am also asking. That sir also saying, Bhaiya, my favorite hero is Shah Rukh Khan. I am play for the Kisi rogi tumse mulaqat hogi. That song also I am play it. Next that sir also saying, Bhaiya, you know Hindi? Yeah, I know हिंदी. आप कैसे हो, आप कहाँ से हो, अपना खाना खा लिया, मैं ठीक हूँ, अच्छे से रहना, धन्यवाद, वापस जरूर मिलना, मुझको भूलना मत, कुशल मंगल यात्रा, अतिथि देवो भव, फिर मिलेंगे मुझे भी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 डीके ओके ओके भैया भैया बदा बदा धन्यवाद धन्यवाद थैंक यू हिंदी ओवर आई एम सेइंग. Any Telugu customer travel my auto, I play for the Telugu song, ధన్యవాదాలు మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం I am saying. Any Kannada customer travel my auto, I play for the Kannada song, Dhanyavada Gadu Madhya Banni, I am saying. So, any Malayalam customer travel my auto, I play for the Malayalam song, Nanni Vindu Marnam, I am saying. Any Oriya customer travel my auto, Dhanyavad Puni Asandu, I am saying. Any Bengali customer travel my auto, Donnubat Abar Ashbin, I am saying. Any Punjabi customer travel my auto, Satsriyakal, Kita Vadia, Kita Vadia, Kita Vadia, I am saying. Kita means how are you, Vadia means I am fine. This is Punjabi. And I play for the lot of Punjabi song. DJ Wale Babu Mera Gana Chalato and Guru Rattava and lot of Punjabi songs also I am played. And any Marathi customer travel my auto, Atta Machi Sata Gali, I am also saying. And Sarvana Shubhashandhya Kala also I am saying. And any Japanese customer travel my auto, Arigata Kosema, Sainara I am saying. And lot of Western customer I play for the perfect Afandala and Taki Taki Chimala. Lot of Western track also I am playing. John Oliver, the week night, tonight clips also I am news clips also I am played. This my point of view, embrace diversity focused. So corporate also saying this is diversity inclusion something. Uh, uh, Majority of MBA students, correct? So diversity inclusion is more important in corporate sector. So you also thinking, you also some of the insurance policy, you also approach to the your insurance policy explanation. That is also our mother tongue. You will approach it. That is one of the relationship also increasing. This is more important. So that is also my auto. Latestly, I am fixed onto the my auto insight Flupunct, one of the player also. So that is also live cricket match. Everything also live also play it. So this is so Netflix subscription, Amazon Prime membership, all subscription also available in my auto insight. So that time lot of customer, Anna, the series was not finished. You go after one more trip, after I will get down. Half an hour later I will get down. This is also seriously more than happy, little bit. Bhaiya, why? Where do you want to go? I want to go. There is customer also don't get down. That is the bada problem in my point of view. So that is one of the. All subscription mode also available in my auto inside. So this arcading subscription also available. Gaming next level of experience also my customer also. So in my profession, I have faced a lot of problem with regard to change. That is some of the customer used to extend 100 rupees note for 10 rupees, right? I did not enough to pay them balance amount. During those times, I told them, I had totally faith them, they could pay the auto fare later. They hesitated, I told him, however much I believe them, they should also believe in themselves. Those customers paid me the due amount without fail next time when they travel. If we were in the same position like those customers, what is your reactions? Auto wala driver also you pay next time. That time also, what is your reactions? No more reactions, huh? Mission. So that ma'am also, what is your job? Which shop name? That ma'am also asking me. Ma'am, I'm in auto wala. Manager face reaction also totally changed. Because 5 years back also demonetization, correct? So 2016. So I am also asking to the 2014 February. So that man, he demand to the 7 to 8 documents: company registration, rental agreement, visiting card, logo, seal, sign seal, lot of documents. All documents I want to collect and submit. 2 weeks later, this mission was my hand. Some of the customers felt very strange about using the 10 rupees for swiping machine. Just I convinced to the customer, Digital India, Smart India, Change in India, not corporate and shopping mall, platform. This is change it, totally change it. You go to the MTC bus, tea shop, fruit shop, all places digital, that is the real digital. Your salary is credited onto the bank account, you withdraw onto the 100 rupees, you spend for the 50 rupees, balance 50 rupees transaction you don't know. All places digital, your transaction is very openly. You go to your office outside, one of the petty shop also earning for the daily 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 something. You also pay for the tax. That's are also not paying for the tax. What is the difference? Your salary is accountability, our income is not accountability. All places digital, every people also pay for the tax. India also richest country very soon. So that is, I am also explaining it. And currently 50 to 60% customer also, Anna, you give me a mission that customer also take. So self-using, that is the nice experience also creating. So get down time also, bye bye, chalo chalo, bye Anna, bye. So you don't pay for the purse outside, you pay for the money. That is a waste of the time. So only my customers, majority of customers, so get down time also, Anna, buy. So that is also my point of view. 2015 and 16, my major money also go to the Indian Treasury. I am also tax paid person, so my felt is very proud. I am the tax paid person. So 2015 and 16. So currently GST, so I'm not applicable onto the that inside. Very hope and soon I'm also paying for the GST is very soon. So next my auto inside, lot of digital payment method also available. So this is also Paytm, Google Pay and Phone Pay and PayPal money also accept in my auto inside. That is the M Visa. This is South India second person sign into the that project. So Access Bank M Visa. So swiping machine also I am also going. So other payment method that people also following with me. So that bank people also calling me. So Lotsa, this is also bank. Directly our owner also calling with me. So that is also Federal Bank. Lot of payment method also implement onto the my auto inside. So this is one. Um, in the year of 2010, I had to drop one of the customer in Central Railway Station, so opposite GH. So one of the person also come with me, so that person is very stressed. So what is, I am also asking this person also other district, that is the Tiruvallur. Our daddy is not feeling well. So 3 days back also that person had been down to that hospital, that phone was switched off, not charging. So that person also passed away, our father. So that message was not inform our family members. So that is, then currently my auto inside is lot of charges facilities is available. So Belkin 12 watt to 220 watt converter. Your laptop also charging point available in my auto inside. APC power bank, MI power bank, Samsung power bank, HP power bank. Lot of power bank also available. This all facilities available unto the that time that person is I am also God. If what we want is not available for us, when we need it to most, however big it might be, it will not be useful to us. தேவைப்படும் போது கிடைக்காத எந்த ஒரு பொருளும் இந்த உலகத்தில் எவ்வளோ பெருசாக இருந்தாலும் அது வேஸ்ட் அப்படின்றது தான் என்னோட பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூ. ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஐ எம் ப்ரொவைடிங் டு த சார்ஜர் பாயிண்ட் இன் மை ஆட்டோ இன்சைட். ஸோ திஸ் so Google Next Hub and Amazon Echo Show also available in my auto inside. So technology updating. So before you want to type this any information, which chief minister of Karnataka. So currently you ask him to the every, my customer also auto inside sitting, which chief minister of Tamil Nadu? Hey Alexa, which chief minister? Tamil Nadu chief minister is Edapadi K Painisamy. That is one of the slang also rolling also saying in Alexa. So you want to any other information? So hey Google, what is the traffic status in Gandhinagar? So traffic status also showing onto the Google Next Hub. So this is all beginning stage also I am fixed to the Google Mini and everything. I am also upgrading onto the currently is Google Next Hub and Amazon Echo Show. So this is also next level of technology. So currently my auto inside is AWS Deep Lens also available. This is also artificial intelligence machine learning. This is next level of technology. So this is also one time you travel my auto. Hey Alexa, my name is Annadurai. Next time I travel that auto. Hi Annadurai, how is life going on? This is interact with me. And next is sign languages. This is some of the physical challenging customer also travel my auto. That is the one of the sign languages you heard about. This is also what is that person saying. This is also replay with me. So this is also what is that person asking. This is also loudly saying and read to me. Just you show some of the books. This is also read and saying. This is also AWS Deep Lens. This is not available on to the India. So this is also my auto inside. And Chennai is but a hard place, correct? So I am providing to the fridges available, free water bottle and pepper boat, tender water also available. So you want to that, you take and drink. So one day is 10:45 something. That time also I am waiting to the Thiruvanmiyur signal. One of the customer also suddenly crossed the road. That ma'am is Bhuvaneshwar. Anna, you go to Sholingnallur? Yes ma'am, you come. Travel timing, 1 minute. Anna, I take one water bottle. Yeah, sure ma'am. How much? Ma'am, that is also complimentary. This is also free. You don't pay the money. That ma'am also totally crying. Anna, you my God, that ma'am also crying and Anna, you my God, thank you so much. ma'am, why? At that time also I am thinking, 96,000 iPad also I am providing, no one also crying, but 10 rupees water bottle, this ma'am also cry. So, what is you providing? That is not matter. How do you, that is useful, that is the more important. That time also I am learned that one. So, this is also more important. So, tender water also available, pepper pot also available, so water bottle also available. So, cooling water bottle, cooling item also providing. So, hot is Adyar Ananda Bhavan, filter coffee also available in my auto inside. So, some of the customer also little bit stress, and I have 1 cup coffee, so I am suddenly stop the vehicle, so I am take, so you want to drink after I drive the auto, so customer also drink the coffee also, so not local coffee, only Adyar and the Bhavan quality coffee, so that is also I am providing daily. So daily 2 or 3 times also I am change that coffee, so one time morning to night same coffee nahi, so 3 hours one time also I change the coffee, so that is also. And breadwood box also available. This is also that fridge, and this box both are imported one, so this is also very short time high cooling system, that fridge, so that is also 11,000 something. So Bada bridge also 11,000, correct? That is Chota bridge also 11,000. This breadwood box, this is also imported one. This inside is fruits and snacks and chocolates, is everything is available, so you want to that you take and eat, so you don't question anyone. That is, I will mention free fruits and snacks here. Some of the customer also take and eat him. So this complimentary, so, okay, so not free, free word is not, don't like people, so a lot of people, so that is one. So, and Chennai is bada hot place, air cooler also available my auto inside, so chill traveling. And then after sometimes I got this great idea to share some of my income with my customers, so I am started conducting contest on the go. It was customer relationship development contest. I printed out 5 question general topics. It is an objective type, and ask your name and email address. The person who get all those correct answer will be awarded rupees 1,000 of every month. When I informed about this to my friends and well-wishers, I got negative feedbacks like, people getting into your auto will only think about when they will get down. So friend circle is some of the bad review. So this, but I had thought like, we only have a mind to execute what we think up. So I went and collected few questions. Straight go to Google, like when Anna Teresa Ma'am got Nobel Prize, when Abdul Kalam was born, and sir was born, and etc. etc. All I had in my mind was, even if one customer answered those questions, I would print and paste winner feedback. So encourage to the other customer also. But I end of the month, I will close the contest and random customer to select the winner. So, but 137 customer also participated onto the first month. Out of them, 25 customers only answer 5 questions. So monthly 31st, one of the random customer to select the winner. So immediately I got first month one of the logo Parthiban is winner. If an automan like me rewards you rupees 1,000, what is your reactions? No more reactions, huh? Because I am providing to the 31st, 30, so month end. Because some of the employees also salary credit onto the 1 and first something 5. So month end, so packet, empty packet. So some of the middle class auto traveling people. So that time 1,000 rupees is very valuable. So I am providing to the, that is first month one of the logo Parthiban is winner. He refused to accept his prize money, saying that what I was offering was a service. He only participated to encourage with me. But I got him to accept that money by saying, will you decline? If you got a promotion in your job, you should really learn, acknowledge your achievements. He got a son. Lot of auto wallahs also looting the money. First time you return the money, I am also totally shocked. That's are also saying. So this is the customer relationship development contest. How many people MBA? What is the earning customers loyalty? Earning customers loyalty. வாடிக்கையாளர்களின் நம்பகத்தன்மையை பெறுவது எப்படி? What is the earning customers loyalty? Super. Who is that person? Can you please applause that? Yeah. So, referral and repeated. So, Jeff Bezos are business, two platforms are business, two main focus. One is referral, one more is repeated. That is the successful business. That is the earning customers loyalty. How do you focus this on is my auto insight? How do you adapt it? So this is also I am fixed to the share type. I drive the auto. Minimum fare is 10 rupees. Maximum fare is 25 rupees. One of the customer travel my auto 20 time. I am return 250 rupees. One of the customer travel my auto 30 time. I am return 500 rupees. One of the customer travel 40 time. I am return 1000 rupees. 10 rupees you pay. 20 time travel my auto. You pay 200 only. But I am return to the 250 rupees. 15 time one of the customer also travel my auto calling our friend. Hey, you go to Anna auto, Anna give me the token, you and me go to the movie. My backside is sitting calling our friend referral. Okay, so this is one of the idea. One of the customer also calling with me. Anna, where are you now? I am in Thiruvanmiyur Bhaiya. I am waiting to the Thuraipakam. Can you please come to quickly? So I go to office. Bhaiya, I will reach on to your place 15 minutes. Can you please, you don't waste up the time. You choose another one transport. You go to your office quickly. I am also convinced to the customer. No, I am also more comfort your auto. I am waiting there. You come. That customer also waiting to the 15 minutes. So I will reach on to that place in 10 minutes. So monthly 4 to 6 customer only winning on to the 250 rupees project. So this is referral and repeated, my income is more increased. No one waiting on to the 500 and 1000. 20 token also save it 15 days before. Anna, you give me money, give me money. But yeah, you save the another 20 tokens, you save the 40 token, I return 1000 rupees. No, you go to your hometown, waste up the token, you give me money, give me money, give me money. Some of the, lot of customer also repeatedly travel, lot of customers also referral also. So monthly 4 to 6 customer only winning onto the 250 only. So my expensive is 1250, 1500, but my income is more increased this token treat project. That is the earning customers loyalty project. So Chennai climate is unpredictable. Daytime is hot, evening time is rain. So I'm also fixed on to my auto inside is 30 umbrella. Get on time is rain, you take umbrella. I'm also tied up with the OMR road, all bus stop near lot of shops. So you return that shop, you don't searching for me. So if you get wet in rain, if you sick, correct? If you sick, you miss your office. You miss your office, how do you travel my auto? Correct? So that is the reason I am providing to the my auto inside. Lot of customer also saying, Anna, anyone no return? Oh, Bhaiya, first of all, trust. That is the more important of business and everything. So my customers is God. I am completely trust with my customers. So that is the reason. I'm also asking, Bhaiya, you go to travel MTC bus and metro train, anything. So get on time also, Bada rain. That station master or conductor also providing to the umbrella. You return or not? You throw the question to that person. Everyone also self-defense. No, I am also return it. You also return it. That customer also return it. I am also convinced. So lot of customer also I am providing. Every customer also return the umbrella. So all Decathlon buying. So all 700, 800 umbrella, not local quality. So my customers has got that is the quality product I am providing. So my auto inside lot of offer days. Children's Day, Women's Day, Father's Day, Independence Day, Abdul Kalam sir birthday, my birthday, Valentine's Day. So a lot of offer days. And teachers also 24/7, 365 days also free service in my auto inside. Teacher job is world #1 noble service job. So that is the reason Abdul Kalam sir, Narendra Modi sir, Ban Ki-moon sir, Obama sir, Trump sir, Putin sir, Joe Biden sir, Kamala Harris ma'am, Arvind Krishna, lot of legendary people also creating teachers. That is the reason I am providing to the free service in my auto inside. So my felt is very proud. I am asking to this one. So next my auto inside, lot of corporate CEO's birthday also I am celebrating my auto inside. All that corporate employee CEO's birthday, that company employee free service. Other customer also I am providing to the chocolate also. Why I'm providing corporate CEOs free, right? That is the employment is very big issues. So that is the reason I'm government also nothing possible, big employment creating, but corporate also creating. That is a very big pride and respect. That is the reason I'm celebrating to the corporate CEO's birthday. So just example, I'm saying TCS Rajesh Gopinathan sir, August 13th, that day also all TCS employ free ride. And Shalil Parekh sir, June 5th, that day also all Infosys employees free service. And Capgemini, Paul Hamlin sir, April 30th. Ginny Romiti ma'am, former IBM CEO, July 29th. Current CEO is Aravind Krishna sir, that is the current IBM CEO. And Jim Hackett, that is the Ford CEO, May 22. That day also all Ford employ free ride. And Shorinsko Musk CEO, August 20th. That day also all Musk employs free ride. And Accenture, Julie Sweet ma'am. And R. Sri Krishna sir, Axavar, Rajesh Khanna sir, Rakesh Khanna sir, Sintel. And lot of corporate CEOs. That time also my Auto Insight free service. That is the reason is employment creating. That is the reason. And before COVID, this is last year, February first week also, my Auto Insight is available onto the 3-layer face mask also I am providing my customers as free, and Sterilium sanitizer also available in my Auto Insight. This is not for 1 month, 2 months before. That is the before lockdown. That is also February month, first week also, this is also available in my Auto Insight. That time also more demand onto the 3-layer face mask. Medical shop and lot of places also 20 rupees, 30 rupees also sell it. But I am also providing to the free for my customers. Lot of places, no face mask, no entry. Now, my Auto Insight, no face mask, please come. I am providing the mask for free, that is. So, this is also Sterilium. That is the first quality sanitizer is available in my Auto Insight. That is, uh, it does not matter what job we do. What matter how do you do that? So that is the focus. So I love my job. You have lot of doubts, I will guess. So you ask the questions, so I will answer it.
So what is your cost benefit model if you can provide all this facility to the people?
Pardon, expensive, you ask him, correct?
Yeah, expenses and income part.
Yeah. This is financial question, correct?
Yeah. Is it?
MBA, sir, professor?
Finance professor.
This all facilities before I'm earning to the 1,000, 1,200, 1,500 something. So after my monthly repeated expensive is 18,500 rupees. That iPad, laptop, tablet, that is the one-time investment. So repeated expensive is monthly 18,500 rupees. So before COVID, so my monthly revenue model is 1,22,000, 1,25,000 something. So triple time I am only for the extra money. What is the difference is other auto wallahs also waiting for the customers. My point of view, customer waiting for me. So that is the
We all wish you should be in benefited. Thank you.
because you follow the money, money is nothing follow you. You provide the good customer service, everything following me. That is the
How to find Auto Annadurai in Chennai when we come there?
yeah. Actually, I don't know because lot of abroad people also calling with me. Anna, this time also this week, 1 month, 2 months later, I come to Chennai. I'm also 1 week. Some of the Permuda, Tajikistan, global map. I don't know that place, but that places people also calling with me. Anna, can you please you tell me your availability date? So I book the ticket. That is abroad.
Wow.
So this I don't know, Anna. How do you people searching with me? So you also my near. I am asking you. So that is the not an issue. That ma'am also asking.
My name is Ranjita. I'm from Bangalore Institute of Management Studies. So my question is, when are you coming for Bangalore? You can mint a money. Trust me, because the IT, one of the biggest IT hub is in Bangalore. So I would like to ask that.
Yeah, I will consider your request, ma'am. Thank you so much. Very soon. But after COVID, I don't know. Before COVID, Bada traffic, ma'am.
That's famous in Bangalore.
Very soon, ma'am, I will come.
Thank you.
Yeah, problem.
Now we are providing all services, no, sir. When in the beginning of your
Sorry,
driving
one
this,
more time you're saying that as question.
beginning, how you managed to spend on this?
Yeah, beginning stage may everyone, you also something different, all people also discouraging with me. My parents also, this guy is mental, net crack, something. Lot of typical parents, Indian parents also something. So, beginning stage I am also one of the white color Tata Magic vehicle. That auto also I am built on to the this type of service. So, Anna, one more slide also. So, this type of service also I am providing. So, that is big space implementation. But next to my mummy daddy also, this guy is mental, net crack, something, blah, blah, blah. But friends also all going. So suddenly one of the small size auto also providing my hand. But I am also fixed on to the, this type of changes. So one of the artist eyes also blind, but our heart also not blind. So this is also beginning stage. No more people also support with me. So you also ignore it that one. You also moving step forward. Your thought is very big. So that is also focused. I'm not ignore it, discouraging and some of the managing little bit also I am implementation in my beginning stage. Not bada money also not expensive it. Because one more example I am saying that the Samsung Galaxy Tab also I am buying Bajaj Finance. So after 2 years, 3 years, I am also 96,000 net payment I am buying to the that is iPad Pro. Changing on the revenue model, my income also little bit increasing. That is the real changes.
Sir, do you have competitors?
Competitor? No, ma'am. Because I am also 2013 iPad Pro, Ola Prime something also 3 years back also Ola Play something. Okay, so my focus on to the customer satisfaction. So that people something no more competition, ma'am. Yeah, Aditi Devabhava, thank you so much. We all my best wishes. So you also go to the India's biggest officials. So thank you so much, Aditi Devabhava.